Hello everyone, myself is Shubhada Parab, and here we will see how we can use the counter in a up and down mode in a Delta PLC. So I have chosen SS2 PLC hardware for this programming, and in this program the C200 counter is specifically used for up and down counting. So in Delta PLC, C200 to C232 counters can be used for a up down counting, and all these counters are 32-bit. Okay, those are specifically designed for up down counting. So in this program, if you see, so C200 get the pulses from the X0 input, and it will count up to 5 in up mode, and it can also decrement this value up to 0 value. Okay, and here also you can observe one more instruction is there, that is M1200 memory bit is used, and it has a specific function. This is actually used as a mode selection bit. Up and down counting modes are there, so same C200 counter can be used in up mode and down counting mode. So for that selection we required one memory bit, that is M1200. It is specifically designed that when a M1200 bit is 0, then by default my C200 counter will work as a up counter, and when my M1200 memory is on, or it get the signal, then C200 counter will work as a down counting. Okay, in a down counting mode. So now we will see how, now I will execute this program and we will check whether it really work in a up and down mode according to M1200 memory status. So first of all we will compile this program, then simulate, then we will go to the, then we will download this program to the PLC, then select the online mode, and now we will shift this PLC to the run mode. Okay, now I give different pulses on X0 input, and C200 now work in a up mode, up counting mode. You can see here the C200 actually count the different pulses, those are coming on the X0 input, and now it is counting in a up mode since my M1200 memory is in a off state. Okay, see again, now my counter's accumulator value is 4. Okay, once I start this M1200 memory, or once my M1200 memory is in a high state, then if I provide any pulses, then my C200 counter will behave like a down counter. So here you can observe these things. See, my C200 is start in a down counting mode. So whenever I am giving a pulses, now it is just decrementing the accumulator value. Is it clear? So if you want to use the counter for up down counting purpose, then you are supposed to choose the counter from C200 to C32, and you are supposed to use M1200 memory for on off for up down mode selection. Okay, then and then it is possible. Thank you.